Getting an Australian phone number from outside Australia used to mean paperwork, carriers, and waiting. In 2026, it takes about 90 seconds, and you don't even have to book a flight to the country. In this video, we'll show you how to get an Australian number step by step. A local number from different cities in Australia, a mobile number that supports voice, SMS, and MMS, toll-free numbers to set up 24/7 support lines, and cover the one requirement Australia has that some other countries don't. Let's do it. Before you start, understand the benefits an Australian number adds to your business. If you're selling to or supporting Australian customers, a local Australian number makes you look like a local business. And Australians, like everyone else, answer the local numbers far more often than unknown international calls. Virtual numbers in KrispCall simply let you take those calls from anywhere in the world. Let's start. Simply visit KrispCall.com. Sign up and log into your account. On the dashboard, go to Settings, navigate to My Numbers, and click on Purchase Numbers. You'll land in KrispCall's virtual number marketplace. Here in the drop-down, search for Australia and specify the location if you need local numbers. For mobile numbers, select the abilities as you need them. If you need the toll-free number, simply sort it out from the filters. Let's understand how types of Australian numbers are different from each other. Local numbers have a distinct area code. A +612 for Sydney, +613 for Melbourne, and so on. So if you dial to Australian customers with a local number, they instantly understand which specific city the business belongs to. All mobile format numbers in Australia start as +614, which immediately resonates naturally to Australian customers who expect to call a mobile. And 1-800 toll-free numbers, where the callers have to pay nothing to reach out to your business. For this demo, let's go with a local number from Sydney. Here's the one thing that's specific to Australia. For most number types, Australian regulations ask for proof of identity or a business address before the number activates. If you're prompted for a document, that's normal. It's the country's telecom law, not the provider being difficult. Upload what's asked, and activation follows shortly after. Activation might take a little longer for this reason. Here, pick a Sydney number from the list, confirm your purchase, and the number gets added to your KrispCall account. Now you're ready to make calls. Open the dialer, set the Australian number as your caller ID, enter the number you want to call, and dial. To send text messages and MMS, you must purchase a mobile number where it's supported. With these steps, you can get and use Australian numbers without being there. And that's an Australian business number. Just make sure you fulfill the ID requirement, and you're set to talk to Australian customers in just a couple of minutes. With KrispCall, you have access to virtual numbers in over 100 countries the same way, starting at $12 a month. Links in the description. Subscribe for more country-by-country guides. See you in the next one!